Hello, here I have one Exciter PLL RVR TEX 300. Here I have the frequency 93 MHz for this example. You can see the back side and the bird with element 500, and you can see 300 watts output RF here with this Exciter PLL RVR 300 watt model TEX 300. This is modification of RVR. Have the amplifier original RVR, but not have the original PLL. The PLL is changed, is another PLL, but this is the Exciter PLL TEX 300.